Hey everyone! I don't know how to say it anymore. Hey everyone! So today I am going to try and turn into Megan Fox. And I did watch Candy Johnson's video on this, so I'm going to do something similar hopefully. This is the image that I'm going to try and recreate, and I've already done my hair and my I've got a black, like, what's it called, blazer on. So yeah, my hair has been, might need like a touch up because I've been wearing it all day. But yeah, let's just get straight into the makeup. First thing I'm gonna do is glue my eyebrows down because I want to try and recreate her eyebrows as best as I can. And as you can see, my eyebrows are pretty low down and hers are more like beautiful and arched upwards. So we're gonna be gluing my eyebrows. So let's just start by swirling it. Oh, it's so strange. It's probably why I have like pimples around my eyebrows. And I think the idea of doing the glue like this is because you want to create like a new, like a layer of skin, I guess. And when the glue like hardens, you can add more layers until it just feels smooth, I guess. I look crazy. I'm just like swirling it around in my eyebrow, and going backwards and forth through the brow just to get it all amongst the hairs. And then I'm going to push it up. And then I'm going to take a spoolie and brush them up. Now we wait for it to dry. Okay, so I decided not to wait for them to dry because they were taking way too long. So I powdered and then put more glue, powder, glue, powder, glue, powder. So now this is where we're up to. But yeah, I've done like 5-6 layers of that. And now I'm just gonna put some peachy like color on top. Okay, so I made a peach corrector. It's very light. I'm just going to pat this over the eyebrows to color correct the darkness. I'm just using whatever's left on the brush just to like go over where we've powdered, because it's going to have like a weird greyish sort of color, and this will just brighten it. Then I'm also going to go ahead and set that with powder, just like I did with the glue. Now I'm going to go over with my most full coverage concealer. Okay, and then once I've got that, I'm also going to powder that. That looks so scary. I need to go eat dinner now, which is gonna be strange for everyone. I'm back, baby. Okay, let's face it. My eyebrows look like crap. Okay, so now I'm gonna do like my foundation. So I previously like created this color here, and this is gonna be my contour color later. But yes, it's actually just face paint. And this is gonna actually make me look tanned because she's really tanned. It's literally gonna look orange. Don't you worry though, don't you worry. Oh, I look like caramel. Oh my god. That looks like literal poo. That looks like actual poo. Wow. 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 Holy crap. Now I'm actually going to take a tiny bit of concealer for under my eyes because her eyes look slightly brighter than the rest of her face. So she has like cheeks more like this than I do. So that's why I'm going to like highlight to try and represent that. Basically just trying to give myself better cheekbones. I look so different already. I'm also gonna put a dot on my chin too. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the cheek contouring. I'm actually gonna look straight ahead and go straight into my hollows. Oh my god. Cheekbones, here we come. Now I'm gonna start the nose contouring. Okay, now I'm going to do some highlights with the concealer. All I did with the highlighting was clean up here so that we have a distinct like nose shape, and add highlights to like parts of the nose that the nose has highlighted. Then have shadows where the shadows aren't. Okay, I think I'm going to powder now. They know what is what, but they don't know what is. Look how, like, wait, hold on. Oh, don't they look the same? I feel like I should do my eyebrows next. So what I'm gonna do is actually take my contour to first map out the eyebrows. Yeah, that's a very rough placement. So now I'm gonna take like some black eyeshadow and start filling them in. I think I look slightly angry, but I'm now going to go in with some black paint and add some like hairs, I guess. Add some hairs in. And voila, we got new eyebrows. It's now bronzer time. I'm just going to do it like normal bronzer. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some blush. Now for highlight. Okay, now I'm going to prime my eyelids how I normally would. First thing for the eyeshadow I'm going to do is basically contour my eyeball. So I'm going to take like a mixture of these two colours here. And I'm going to try and create the same shape. So her eyes kind of like, I already naturally have the same sort of thing. But her eyes sort of like droop downwards this way. So I'm starting off with this colour here. And I'm not going to go too high up, keeping everything like in the crease pretty much. I'm going to take like this colour here, a little bit of that. And I'm basically going to stamp it here a little bit. Not stamp it, but blend a little bit on the outer edge of her eye. That's where most of her colour is. Now what I'm going to do is take a shimmery pink shade like this one here. And we're just going to like spread this over the inner bit of the eyelid. Just like across here a little bit. And then we're going to take a clean brush and just blend. Just creating like a little wash of pink on the eyelid. And then we're also going to take that flat brush again and place that like dark red and mix it with a bit of the burgundy. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Now for some reason her lower lash line seems to be more intense than the eyeshadow on her eyelid. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take the same colour we used for the highlight, which is this like nice shimmery white, and put that on the inner corner, dragging upwards. Now she has a like really thick winged liner. And it seems, so I'm going to start with like a little bit of paint. I'm going to take this like flat brush, take the black and basically set it and then slightly smudge it. Her eyelashes just seem to be her normal eyelashes, so I'm just going to put some mascara on. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Now for lips, I feel like that's the last thing. I feel like I did my best. I don't know if it looks anything like her, but her hair's definitely more out like this. So I'm going to take some photos, and if you want to see those photos, make sure to go check out my Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up because this took me forever. So yeah, smash that like button. Why did I sound like that? Smash that like button, darling. Smash that like button and make sure to subscribe if you aren't, because we do crazy weird transformations like this. And yeah, photos on my Instagram, and go follow all my other social medias linked below. Bye!